Alright, here we are with our next video of Miss Ladybug, and we've had a time getting to know her a little bit just because I'm still trying to determine the cause of her fur and her skin being sort of irritated. And the vets thought it was, or the original vets, the shelter vets, thought it was a horrible flea allergy. I'm not so sure. I think there may be a food allergy component to that as well. So I do have her on a hydrolyzed protein food, so a food designed for cats with allergies. And so we'll kind of see how that goes. She seems to be eating it very well and tolerating it very well, and it's a dry food only. And so we're still, I'd say we're still another 10 days out or so before we kind of know if that is the solution and we're ready to send her home with that food. And we would include a bag of that food with her to go. Otherwise, you've got a super friendly, easygoing, loving, very, very nice cat. She doesn't seem to have any issues with other cats. She sees them in the cages near her and stuff, and doesn't seem to be any concern. Although keep in mind, if she needs a special diet, that would exclude her getting into anybody else's food or everybody in the home needing to eat the same food. So that's one thing to be considered. And we'll just keep you updated as we work through this issue with her skin and her fur. It's just sort of kind of splotchy looking, and we're running an extra culture, making sure we've got no fungal infections going, just trying to figure out what the cause is for the skin irritation. Always hard to know, since a lot of times we just don't have much background on these cats, so hard to know what they've been exposed to or what they're reacting to. Interestingly enough, this cat, so her tail, I'm just noticing this, seems to always tilt over to the left. So that's kind of a funny thing. This gal's had some rough times outside, I'm suspecting. And here you can see there's another cat here in the cage, and she's not giving it much thought at all. She is looking with interest out the window. Sometimes we watch to see if that means that they'd like to get outside, then we mark them as an escape artist, just indicating that you need to watch, that she's not going to sneak outdoors. So don't have enough information yet to say that's true. So more as we find it out.